Just swing. Swing. Oh. Yeah, yeah. So we got access to everything?
We just gotta
Yeah.
sign a waiver.
Sign a waiver. Go out here. We can do volleyball and stuff, and then we can go enjoy the pool last, I guess. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bet. Man, what you have to say for yourself?
This is freaking pretty. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Yeah, very happy.
Damn. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Right. Just got our jacket. We signed a waiver. Sign our name.